Hello children, I'm Deepika, your computer science teacher, and this year we had been learning about the basics of web designing initially. Yes, you know very well that this year we are going to learn about the software called HTML. Okay, so what is this HTML standing for? What is the abbreviation of it? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is a programming language which is highly helpful in creating the web pages. All these things we were discussing in the online classes that we fortunately had in the month of June. Am I right? So now, as a next step towards this, we are going to learn how to create a HTML program. Okay, so now I'll show you how to create a HTML program. Nothing, children, it's very easy. Okay, so you can do it very easily. So you just have to go to your start menu, just click on your notepad. So I guess you can see this is the space where you will be typing your program. Okay, so this is how it is. So for our convenience, what did I do is that I have already typed the program and kept it ready for you so that we can save our time too, right? So here I guess you can see the program. Okay, so there are 4 basic tags that we use in a HTML program. Okay, the first one is the HTML tag, the second one is the head tag, the third one is the title tag, and the last one, it is nothing but your body tag. Okay, so these are the various things that we need to consider as far as your programming in HTML is considered. Okay, so now if you see every opening tag you have a closing tag. Can you see here? So every opening tag has a closing tag. If you see the opening and the closing tag, children, can you find out what is the difference that it makes? Yes, very good. It is nothing but your slash that makes the difference. Yes, this forward slash which prefixes your closing tag is the main difference that can be easily made out. Yeah, so this is it. So if you see, this is my title that I have given for my program. Okay, my first web page. Okay, so and here this is the content, the main body of my web page. Okay, hello friends, this is my first web page. So now what did I do? I have enclosed my title within the opening and the closing title tag, and I've enclosed my content within the opening and the closing body tag. So ultimately if you see, the title is within the head tag and everything is enclosed indeed within the opening and the closing HTML tag. So a HTML program will always start with the opening HTML tag and it will always close with the closing HTML tag. I guess you are clear with. So now we'll see how to save your program. Okay, so it's just very easy. Okay, so you just have to go to file, click on save. Okay, so you need to just choose the destination where you need to save it. So for now, as of now, I'm just taking my desktop as my destination. So here what do I do? I'll have to type my file name. Okay, so since it is all about my first web page, I'm just typing it as web page. Any name you can give there. Okay, so it is your discretion, it is a user's discretion. Anything that is related to your program can be given as a file name. Okay, so it should be something which helps you in easily you should be able to spot what program and where is your program and all that. When you have a folder, it should be very easy for you to spot out your program. It should be very easy to find your program. Okay, so always go for a file name which is suitable, which is related to your program. Okay, so you would have seen that I have typed as web page. Now it's high time that I type my file extension for the HTML program. It is nothing but .html. So my file name will not be complete without my file extension which is to be added, and it is mandatory that every file name should have its file extension and it is always .html only. Okay, this .html is a file extension that refers to the HTML file. Okay, so now what am I going to do? I'm just going to save this by clicking on my save button. Okay, so now it's done. So I'm just minimizing this. Okay, so now on the desktop you can see this web page. So this is the name that we gave it for our program. You remember, while saving my program, I did it by giving it a name called web page. So when I give a double click on this, let's see what happens. It's loading now. Oh yeah, can you see here? So this is my title. You remember what we gave inside that? It was my first web page, and the content whatever I require, it's this. Hello friends, this is my first web page. Is it easy for you? Yes, that's all. So now we'll just give a try with another program. Okay, so I'm just copying another program here. Can you see? So now what did I do? I've just given you another program where you can see HTML head title to display the given message. So I have typed here as welcome my dear friends. Okay, so this is my second program where I have changed the title as well as the content of it. Okay, so now when I'm saving in the same page, okay, where you can see the previous title here, what should we do? We shouldn't be giving save, because when you give save, it will be saving this program in that web page name. Okay, we don't want that to happen. What do we want? We need actually this program to be saved under a different name. So we just go to save as. Okay, so that the previous program will also be there, allowing this to be added as a second program. So now what are we going to do? We are just going to go here and give it a name as welcome.html. I guess you are clear. Okay, so now I'm just saving onto this desktop. Now if you see, we have both the programs. If at all you had given save again for the second time when you are saving in the same page by editing the existing program, what happens is it will be replacing the program, the new program with the old program will be replaced by the new program. So we need to retain both the programs, no, that is our intention. So we'll have to give it as save as and save the same program, the new program with a different name. Can you understand? So now I'm just going to open this second program for you. Now you can see the output to display the given message, welcome my dear friends. Okay, so this is the output of our second program, and the first program is also very much safe. You can see. Can you see? Yes. So this is it. Okay.